Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're going to show you some Screen Innovations motorized shades. Now, we did the whole front of the house here, and as you look up here, we had them all powder coated to match the trim. So all these shades that we did are light filtering shades. So if you guys have seen our other videos, you know that there's three types of shades: light filtering, sunscreen, and blackout. So with light filtering, we wanted light to be able to come in, but have some privacy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows that we're doing. So we just got them installed. We still have the stickers on them. We're going to get them programmed in. But super easy to install. The brackets are super awesome. So we're going to use one of these Somfy remotes, but we're also going to install the Tahoma, and we want to be able to control these shades through an app, through the Somfy app, but mainly be able to integrate them into our third-party control system, which we're using a Lawton to make it super easy. But you could also use a handheld remote. And then later in the video, we'll show you guys some cool drone footage, try some high ceilings, so we'll figure to have some fun with it and show you guys that. So as we get going, we'll come here where Ronnie is at, where the rack is, as he's installing this Tahoma, and we'll continue on the video. Stay tuned. All right guys, we're back now with all these shades, and man, if you scan across there, you'll see all 7. You know, we have entry, front, breakfast area, inside bay left, inside bay right, and kitchen. So the homeowner chose not to have the top portion of the window covered, so it always had some nice sunlight coming through the very, very top of the window. So, which is actually a nice touch, because there were some dividers there that we actually mounted to, so it looks nice and clean. But we're going to program it into our control system. But I want to show you guys how easy it is to use with these little remotes. So what we did is we programmed number 1, let me see that, number 1, do all the shades. So as I push this one button here, as you'll scan across, you'll see all shades going up at the same time with one button press. Now obviously with the control system or the app, you can schedule the shades to go up, down, different settings throughout the day, which is super cool. But as I stay silent, you'll also notice these motors aren't loud at all. They're very, very quiet. So there we go. Now let's say with this cool remote, because this is a 4-channel remote, so you can do different settings. So I'm gonna go to channel 2. And what we did is we programmed channel 2 to be just the front of house windows. So if you notice, just this window and those big breakfast windows face the front, and we want just those to go down. So as you'll see, it left all the other windows alone, and just the front of house windows are coming down. Super cool, easy to use, looks really, really, really nice. And as you see, they're all coming down at the exact same time. So they're all lined up. And there we go. So what a clean, nice fit and finish for the shades. You know, if you guys have any questions, subscribe, leave your comments down below. We'll have some cool footage that we'll integrate into the video to show kind of them going up and down. You know, with the drone, we'll fly the drone around here and be kind of cool. So, till next time, guys, we'll see you.